Today I am going to show you the basic difference between horsepower and torque. Many people get confused what is the difference between horsepower and torque. There's and they think there is no basic difference, but horsepower and torque are two different terms. Horsepower and torque are combined by a relation as horsepower is equal to torque into rotations per minute into 2 pi divided by 33,000. RPM is rotations per minute of the engine. 2 pi is one complete rotation. The unit of horsepower is foot pound per time. Here the unit of time is second. Horsepower is equal to torque into RPM divided by 5252 after solving the value of 2 pi divided by 33,000. The unit of torque is foot pound. If we take the value of, for example, we can say 10,504 RPM, the value of horsepower becomes twice the torque. For better understanding, we can look at this graph. This is the graph of horsepower and this is a graph of a torque. At the value of 5252 RPM, the value of torque cuts the value of horsepower. For better understanding, we can take two types of engine, an engine of a truck and an engine of a sports car. An engine of a truck has a lots of a torque because it has to carry the load but has lesser horsepower, while a sports car has more horsepower because it has to gain speed and have more acceleration but has lesser torque because it don't need to carry any weight. So for better understanding, we can take the example of a weightlifter or a sprinter, weightlifter and a sprinter. A weightlifter has to carry a load, so we can say it has more torque, while a sprinter has to run more faster. Hence, we can say it has more horsepower. If we say a weightlifter to carry 40 or 50 kg at his back and run 100 meter again, then its performance would not degrade. But if we say a sprinter to carry 40 and 50 kg at his back and run again, then its performance will simply degrade. Therefore, a vehicle which has more horsepower can't carry weight much and its performance will degrade. Therefore, before choosing the vehicle, we should considerably consider its horsepower and torque. If a vehicle has a more horsepower but a lesser torque, then its speed would be more, but we can't use to carry much load. But if a vehicle has a more torque but lesser RPM, lesser horsepower, then we can use to carry more load, but we can't take it to a much greater speed. Therefore, the people which don't consider horsepower and torque while buying vehicle, they should considerably consider it.